Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen this lesson completely. The boy who sold the wisdom, and we have understood the lesson what it is. Now today we are going to speak about the further details, where there is a glossary, filling the blanks, the question answers, and I will make known to you on this video. The first one, let us go to the glossary. You open your book and you check, and also you write in your fair notes all this. Okay. The weird, the first word is called a weird, is the strange, which you don't know. You have seen first time. Unknown person is called as a weird. Okay. The second, stormed, called a rush in a very fast, stormy. The very fast wind is called as a storm. There is a irats, that is called the word called, there is a irats, a short journey to get something for somebody, a short journey to get something for somebody. You got a irats. Okay, you are going for a short journey to get something for somebody. That is called a irats. That is called a furious. That is very angry. When the dog gets very angry, it's called furious. A lion roaring with the anger, wanted to devour it, and to jump on it. That is called the furious, fast furious. Okay. The bubbled. That bubbled is the word to talk quickly or in a way that is difficult to understand. Something you say blah, 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 and nobody understands. You say very fast, nobody understands anything. That is called a don't babble by yourself, they say. Okay, when you are getting angry, you just shout at the people in your mouth. Nobody understands what you say, and that is what called babbled. Okay, the next word is called wisdom. That is called experience and the knowledge. That the knowledge you gain by your experience is called as wisdom. So that the olden days used to say, people have a grey hair not because they are old, they have a lot of wisdom, they say. Okay, the wisdom by that is called the wisdom, experience and knowledge. Banish, send somebody out of the country as a punishment. That is called a banish. Next one, persuade, the convince, conviction. We say that now. We are sure, we are persuaded, we are guarantee of what you are saying. That is called a convince of what you say. You convince of what you do. That is called a pervade, persuade. No? Feign. Feign means to pretend as if that you know anything. You act like a mad. It is also called as a feign. No? You know the things, but you act. That is called a feign. Now let us go to the filling the blanks. I have just written to you the answer because you have a book in your hand, I suppose. I will read to you and you check the answer. Complete the following sentence. Okay, this is called filling the blanks. Complete the following sentence. They are given the sentence there. Nagendra's brilliant idea was to sell wisdom. Nagendra's brilliant idea was to sell wisdom. Second one. He sold. What he sold? He sold wisdom. Second answer. The third one. Wisdom was brought by whom? Brought by Babu. Third one. Fourth one. We have the Babu's father was angry with him because a piece of a paper, because he sees the piece of a paper, so Babu's father gets angry. The fifth one. We have the answer. Question is, sentence is like this. Nagendra reacted to the fury of a Gupta by asking him to return the nickel. The Nagendra reacted to the fury of a Gupta by asking him to return the nickel because his nickel is taken to giving the wisdom. Sixth one. There is a two filling the blanks to complete the sentence. He returned the money after making a sign on a document. Okay. stated, your son will never use his advice. Okay, on a document which is stated, your son will never use his advice. Clear? And the second one, he reacted. The Babu got into the problem for the second time when he reacted the quarrel between the maids of the queen at the marketplace. Clear? The eighth one we have here, the dispute, the dispute between the two maids was over a pumpkin kumbakai. Okay. Now we are going to see the following question answer. Answering the following question with the 2 sentences. The first question is, why we have the question in your textbook? You write it and write the answer. With the question you write the answer. But I have written you only the answer here. Okay, you just write the, before this you write the question, then the answer. Okay, I will read the question and the answer also. Why was Nagendra open a shop? Answer is, he was an angry employed, young, unemployed and an orphan boy. He was very clever, learned many things from his father, so he decided to sell his wisdom. The answer, he was a young, unemployed and an orphan boy. He was very clever, learned many things from his father, so he decided to sell his wisdom. Second one, question is, why is the merchant's son called a stupid boy? Answer is, merchant's son was called as a stupid boy because he brought a scrap of a paper from Nagendra by paying the nakhi. Merchant's son was called a stupid boy because he brought a scrap of a paper from Nagendra by paying the nickel. Third question, what did Nagendra sell for a nickel? Nagendra sold his wisdom for nickel. Sell is became the past tense here, the sold. Okay, answer becomes the sold past tense. Okay, now fourth one, why was Babu's father angry? Babu's father was angry because his son spent a nickel for only a piece of a paper on which written some words. And here is the first question answer. Let's see the fifth further. Okay, now we are going for the fifth question answer. Let me read the question here and the answer too. The fifth one, how did Nagendra make Gupta realize the value of wisdom? Nagendra's wisdom saved Babu's life when Babu was asked to be witness to the two maids. Sixth question, why did the two maids quarrel? Why did the two maids quarrel? They wanted the same pumpkin which was selling at the market, which was left only one. They wanted the same pumpkin which was selling at the market, which was left only one. The seventh question, why did Babu and his father go to Nagendra twice? Why did Babu and his father go to Nagendra twice? They witnessed Nagendra for advice because each of the maids sent the word to Babu that if you don't speak in support of, she would chop his head. So his father and he panic and went for the advice of Nagendra. 8. Why was Babu was very happy? Babu was very happy because he could save his life by the advice of Nagendra. Otherwise, he would have punished by the king. 9th one. What is the meaning of the expression think deeply before you do anything? Think deeply before you do anything means that before doing any action or speaking out, have to think carefully. Understood? Before doing any action or speaking out, you have to think carefully. Last one, 10th one. Why did the king make a Nagendra his wisdom? It was only Nagendra's wisdom which saved the life of king. So he realized this fact and he appreciated for his cleverness, and the king made him a minister to guide him. Thank you. See you later on. Okay, now let us go further. Read the following extract and answer the following question that follows. Here there is the statement is given in the book. It is the book statement is think deeply before you do anything. The statement is think deeply before you do anything. They asked a question. Who was asked to think deeply? The king was asked to think deeply. Answer A is the king was asked to think deeply. B, they asked here, who gave this piece of wisdom and why? Who gave the piece of wisdom and why? Nagendra gave this piece of wisdom because he wanted to because he wanted to show his cleverness, because he wanted to show his cleverness. Who that he is? Nagendra. The next one, see, they are asked, how did this piece of wisdom help the receiver? It helps the receiver to save his life, not solve, save his life. It helps the receiver to save his life. The next one statement is, I do not sell wisdom by weight, I sell it by quality. I do not sell wisdom by weight, I sell it by quality. Here, the first one he asked, what is that? Who said this? It was said to Babu. Who said this? It was said. Who said this? Nagendra said this. Second one, to whom was this said? It was said to Babu. Nagendra said to Babu. The C one, when was this said? It was said when Babu asked Nagendra the cost of the wisdom. When Babu asked Nagendra the cost of the wisdom. The fourth one, D1, what does it mean? It means it is a quality thing, so it cannot be measured in weight, because wisdom cannot be measured in weight. It is a quality thing. The next one, we have a next one is the fill in the blanks. In the following sentences with the right options, give in the bracket. I have written the shortcut, you complete it fully looking at the textbook. We are here filling the blanks. First one, the choice is given in the bracket. You have to choose the right appropriate words. His brilliance, B-R-I-L-L-I-A-N-C-E, his brilliance brought honor. His brilliance brought honor. Second, dash people solve problems. Your choice is wise or wisdom. Wise means person who got the wisdom is called wise. So that answer is wise people solve problems. Wise people solve problems. Third one. Dash he was clever. He was without a job. Choices in spite of though. Though he was clever, he was without a job. Though he was clever, he was without a job. Fourth one, there was no dash of sympathy from the people when they heard of the cruel murder. There was no depth of sympathy. There was no depth of sympathy. Death, nothing, means finish. Zero. That is called the life of zero is called as a death. So that is called death of sympathy. There is nothing sympathy, no sympathy from the people when they heard the cruel murder. Okay, the next one. The dash of hounds made them abandon the project. The paucity, P-A-U-C-T-I, paucity, C-I-T-Y, paucity, the pause. During the continuous pause is called the paucity. The paucity of a fund made them abandon the project. The next one is the B1 in that. I have not written on the board, but I will just explain to you because that is not necessary. You understand better, I suppose. I will read to you and you look at the book when the video is seen by you. I will read. Use since or for with the following time expression. The film has been on at the theatre since July, not a for, it is a since July. First one is since. Second, she has been on holiday for the last 3 months. Or possibility also, she has been on a holiday for since the last 3 months. Both the answer is right here. She has been on holiday for the last 3 weeks. Okay, can be accepted. Or since the last 3 months. Both the answer is accepted here. She hasn't been here since a month. Understood? Here for is not act. Here only the answer is since. No one has lived here. Fourth one. No one has lived here since 1989. Here also for doesn't help. Right answer is since. It is the first time I have been here for the accident. It is the first time I have been here for the accident. Clear? And this is what your idea. Clear? This is how this lesson ends, and I finished this lesson also.